In recent, the demand for mechanical keyboards has surged, driven by their satisfying tactile feedback, durability, and performance. Both typists and gamers appreciate the precision and customization they offer. In this guide, we evaluate key aspects like switch type.
List number. This wired GPS tracker offers continuous vehicle location monitoring without the burden of monthly fees or subscriptions. Designed to connect directly to your car's power source, it ensures uninterrupted operation without worrying about battery life. The device delivers real-time location updates through a dedicated tracking platform accessible via smartphone or computer. List number.
The VitalGlow GPS tracker is a versatile, subscription-free solution for real-time vehicle tracking. Compact and easy to install, it works with a free companion app to provide accurate location data, route history, and geofencing alerts. The device is built to be discreet and durable, with a design that withstands heat, dust, and moisture. Ideal for both personal cars and commercial fleets. It offers peace of mind by allowing you to monitor your vehicle's movements at any time. Its built-in rechargeable battery.
List number.
This hidden GPS tracker is designed for discreet placement in your vehicle, offering stealthy location tracking without monthly subscription fees. Its compact build allows it to fit in glove compartments, under seats, or within panels, making it nearly undetectable. The tracker delivers real-time GPS updates through its app interface, giving you precise vehicle location whenever you need it.
List number. The Landair C54 is a top-tier GPS tracker known for its rugged design, long battery life, and reliable tracking capabilities. Proudly made in the USA, this tracker features a strong magnetic mount for quick installation on vehicles. It's fully waterproof, ensuring it performs in all weather conditions. Depending on tracking mode, the battery can last from 1 week to several months, making
List number.
This magnetic waterproof GPS tracker offers a simple yet effective way to monitor your vehicle without ongoing subscription costs. Its strong magnet allows you to attach it securely to any metal surface on your car, while the waterproof casing ensures reliable performance in all weather. The tracker provides real-time location updates via a companion app, letting you check your vehicle's status anytime.